Well, you're in luck because today I'll be sharing with you the benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Originating from the countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, this diet focuses on fresh, nutrient-rich foods. One of the key components of the Mediterranean diet is consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. These colorful foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for overall well-being. Not only are fruits and vegetables good for your health, but they also add delicious flavors and textures to your meals. Another important component of the Mediterranean diet is incorporating whole grains into your diet. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice, are a great source of fiber, helping to promote a healthy digestive system. In addition to fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, the Mediterranean diet encourages the consumption of lean proteins. Fish, like salmon and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Poultry, eggs, and dairy products are also included in moderation, providing essential nutrients without excessive saturated fats. One of the most iconic foods of the Mediterranean diet is olive oil, often used as a replacement for traditional cooking oils and butters. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation in the body and promote heart health. When it comes to seasoning, the Mediterranean diet often relies on herbs and spices to add flavor to dishes. Herbs like basil, oregano, and thyme are not only delicious, but they also contain antioxidants and other health benefits. In addition to these food choices, the Mediterranean diet encourages regular physical activity. Whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, or dancing, staying active is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. One of the biggest perks of the Mediterranean diet is its focus on enjoying meals with family and friends. Taking the time to savor your food and socialize can help reduce stress and improve overall mental well-being. Research has shown that the Mediterranean diet may help lower the risk of heart disease and certain chronic conditions. It has also been associated with weight loss and improved cognitive function in older adults. By following a Mediterranean diet, you can nourish your body with wholesome foods and support your overall health. So, why not give it a try and experience the delicious and nutritious benefits of the Mediterranean diet yourself?